ADV Gourmet here, and today, I'm a little hungover. We tied it on last night. We were true hooligans, yes. But it's always good to be hooligans with your friends. So this morning we're riding the Sip and Rip Beaufort. Let's do this, baby. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Well, I'm halfway ready. But anyhow, I'm ready. Let's do this. Peace.
Yeah, baby, that was a little slick. That'll wake you up in the morning. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, looks like we got a water crossing here. Yeah, let's do this, baby. An early morning water crossing, you gotta love it. Oh, we got another water crossing. Here we go. That one was a little deep right there, baby. Yeah. Let's do it. What? If you haven't made it to the Sip and Rips, you're missing out. We even got a Chinese bike back there. What?
Oh, what? Man, that does not look bad.
It don't, does it? Yeah. And if you fall, just honk your horn. Beep, beep. Yeah. Good looking bike, Bo. Yeah, man. Yeah, a lot of good looking bikes. Looking good, Bo. Alright, y'all ride safe. Got the Triumph. Yeah. Awesome. What's going on, ADV hooligans? Look at this great view we got. Welcome to the low country of South Carolina. We're sipping and we're ripping, baby. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to Donnelly. We got the Chinese bike in front of us. Then we got the Indian bike in the lead. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The low country, the beauty of living in South Carolina. It's January, it's 70 degrees, and we're ripping it, baby. Well, not really ripping it, we're riding it. I think some of the guys here want to drive just a little bit quicker, but it is what it is. We got bird watchers. Sabo?
I say there's an old original rice trunk that they used to flood when this was all rice fields.
Okay.
Down here about 100 yards.
Very cool.
If you walk out in there, there's always freaking tons of damn birds out here. Like it out here?
All right. Do y'all see the gator out there? Yeah, we got a little gator. We in the low country. Sand gator and adventures. There he is. Or she. Who knows? Oh, now I'm more comfortable in the back.
Trying to go down this river we're going to see here in just a second to get to the Ashapoo, because this isn't the Ashapoo. They met some Confederates and they had a battle. You know, some people got killed. And it tells you a little bit more about that. 13 were killed. And it was all guys from Massachusetts. So, one guy got the Medal of Honor. It's kind of a big deal because there wasn't that many of them from the Civil War. And we're going to just walk up here to this bridge, and you can see it from right here. See that big pole?
That must be the old bridge. Well, let me just tell all you ADV hooligans out there, if you want to experience a ride and views like this, you need to come to the 2024 ADV Rally. Palmetto ADV Rally, that's it. The fun begins. Smells like fish. Must be the whorehouse or the seafood house. Looks like today it's a seafood house. B&B Seafood. Stand. Very cool. It's a hard living, folks. Real hard living.
There'll be some good eating coming in on that.
Yep, for sure.
Look at the dolphin. See the dolphin?
I did.